look, this flash is very nice, but I want to make the flash it very fast, on 1.5 times faster. Okay, so I just here 33 kilo ohms, and yeah, let's put 22 kilo ohms. Got this one here, and let's put one in here. Number 1. Number 2. Yeah. There you go. Power hand. Look, it flashes a bit faster in 1.5 1.5 times faster, and yeah, it's very fast for a police flashlight. Now let's make this circuit on a real board. And look, now we're gonna make a PCB for the Multivibrator. Okay, let's create a new project. Save. Yeah, let's find the component. Let's go to two. Let's see what we have here. I got this one. Okay, boys. Number 2. And now this. Okay. Now we need some resistors, capacitors, etc. Oh, here. Oh, there we go. Full hole resistors. We got resistors like this. What? Okay. Like this. And number 1 goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it's million ohms, so we need million ohms. Here, okay, 430 ohms. Nice. Those ones they wanted 33 kilo ohms, and well, I want to make it a bit faster, so it goes out 22 kilo ohms. Well, I like it most. Well, it's better for me. Why? Oh, there we go. And the last one. 533, like this. There we go. Now we need some capacitors and LEDs. Okay, component. The capacitors, like this. Okay, let's try this on place. Yeah, maybe like this. Only plus in the center. Diagram, okay, but only 6. U2. Okay, yeah, there we go. Now we need some LEDs. The last part we need. One. Place component. Let's just add 4 and 5. Wait. Okay, on this glass. Hey, come on. And well, obviously 6 here. It's you want just these lines and this. Okay, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this, and then like this, and then like this. This one's okay. This would go like this in my option. And we got another one to make here, like this. So this is how it works. You can see the PCB, and here, well, they're the same. Now I just make 5 volts. There we go. Let's ground together like this. They're all connected, and now we're ready. 2, 3. let's import our PCB. And okay, we got the input button here, PNG. Okay, open and look what we have. Very cool. Now let's put all the settings. Okay, here. I don't need that, but I need to rotate this PCB on 220 degrees, so it's gonna be like easy peasy. Now you can see how cool this PCB sits here. It's okay. You can see the origin is just in place. So we also have some settings. Single pass count, interval is speed is small, speed is 15, and power is 40. This is not quite big. It's not quite a lot, but it's okay for this PCB. And okay, we got every single settings ready, and now we're gonna save G code. Okay, so this is gonna be Multivibrator and it's G code. Okay, save it, and now let's move to Octoplink. Just let's minimize this. Might be on, and here we got Octoplink. Upload. We got the Multivibrator G code. There we go. Okay, safety first. Here's your goggles. So you can see some progress in my background. So this G code was generated by LightBurn, and so how this whole thing works. There's a thin layer of photoresist, and the laser makes all the tracks we made for the PCB, and so this ultraviolet makes all the tracks, and when we etch the PCB, all that photoresist was not laser wasn't pointing at it at this photoresist. It goes away, and we have only our PCB and all those roads. Got those tracks here, and the tracks are not light blue, they're navy blue, and so those navy blue tracks will not etch off this PCB. Okay, we created the mask by using LightBurn and artistry, and now we're ready to do some etching. We're etching our PCB. There we go. You can see our PCB. A couple of more minutes and we're done.